Are you tired of sending resumes and hearing nothing? This is the same thing happening with each and every one watching this video today. So I'm your coach Moses Gomes. I'm going to tell you about how to use LinkedIn to create your personal brand. And it just takes 10 minutes. I'm going to take you to step-by-step approach, how to create a LinkedIn profile, what to optimize, what not to optimize, and what are the steps. This will help you to get noticed in front of recruit. First is LinkedIn is not like any other social media platform. It is a professional networking place. When they are talking on LinkedIn, they will always share professionally. You will get almost all CEOs on LinkedIn. You will get all the top VPs on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is where you can get your sales done, and LinkedIn is where you can get your jobs done. The first and foremost thing is how people perceive you on LinkedIn. And this perception is built on only one thing, your LinkedIn profile. Just share you my LinkedIn profile, and you will see over here as a profile what is the banner, your name, your tagline, each and everything matters. Your about section, what is been featured over here, your activity, your experience, what is written in each and every experience is what matters and will help you to build a perception about who you are as a personality. Now, once that is done, it does not stop just there. It is about your activity, what comments you are doing, what videos you are sharing, your images, articles, newsletters, events. Each and everything is what matters, and this helps to build a perception. People will come to know your thoughts when you talk about each and every. So LinkedIn is a learning platform where you deliver information. Now, as a job seeker, as a starter, you might be wondering, how do I create this perception? So it's pretty simple. You need to follow the profiles who are top people in your industry, and that's not hard to find. You will get to read about them in publications, in news media, or you might be part of newsletter like Your Story or some different newsletters. Follow them on LinkedIn. Set an alert. So alert is whenever you follow somebody on LinkedIn, for example, I'm already connected to it, but this particular notification bell is what tells me and notifies me whenever this person is posting on LinkedIn. Over here, she has tagged Biocon. Over here, Jubilant Life Sciences. So tagging has been done. Here the tagging is missing. Here again the tagging has been done. So what are the tagging that you do is very important to portray where you are working. Also tagging when it comes to the companies, the groups, the newsletters, the schools that you have tagged is very important. To the next point is you need to show your accomplishments. Where you show your accomplishments. If you go on your profile and over here there are a lot of certifications and volunteering and recommendations, publications, courses, awards. These are accomplishments, awards and honors. This is what you accomplish. Publication, this is what you accomplish. So as a student, as a starter, you can always do this particular thing. If you miss out doing this thing, you miss out on building your rocket profile, because this is what helps you to get noticed in front of the recruiters, in front of future employees. Then we have to look at engaging and networking. Start engaging, start commenting. If you don't comment on regular basis, people will not notice you. These are the people who visit my profile. I come to know because I'm on premium. Now if they are not connected to me, I can straight away send a connection request. So this is where I'll start getting more prior connections, because they have visited on my profile. It's easy for me to build a relationship. Why they have visited on my profile? Because I've commented. I keep on doing at least 30 to 40 comments per day, and commenting is what helps me to drive more and more traffic to my page. Treat this like a personal website, and if it's a personal website, you want more and more people to visit your website. It's not that you create your profile and just chill out and you're not doing anything. Unless people start visiting your profile, you will get noticed. And the more visits you get on your profile, this is where you will come to know. So past 90 days and past 3 years, let's see. So over here, I got a spike in the number of visits. Then again, I'm again over here. So it's like around 160 views per week is what I'm targeting. Can I help you get a job? Works at a company you follow, senior leader in your industry. So these are the senior leaders who visit my profile. 3 weeks ago, CEO Next Gen Digital Solutions, co-founder, CEO Eureka, President, Director General GSK Indonesia, Chief Technical Officer, Head Projects, Jupiter Hospital, Angel Investor. So these people have visited my profile. These are top people who are influencers and are visiting my profile. So This is why they are visiting again, because of commenting. So start commenting. The more you comment, the more visits you'll get. And as a fresher, this is the only simplest thing that you can do. I'll also teach you about how to comment. But before we go over there, we'll look at other things. Now, coming to our profile, one is the commenting part. Second part is you have to start writing posts and you have to start sharing. So, what is sharing posts? So, for example, if I see something over here, which, so over here, if there is something which is interesting, see over here, what is this? Now, this is what I liked. So I'll reports with my thoughts. I will tag. This is a tool, Merlin, that I use to make my life easier when it comes to comments and this thing. The reflected Ambi Parishwaram recent post about innovative Fevicol display featuring a local sales boy. I am reminded of the profound impact that localized branding can have on consumer. This Ambi Parmeshwara will come to know that I have shared his post on my link, and that's how he will visit. So I want more top league people to visit my profile. It's like giving. The more you give, the more visits you'll get. A lot of times people feel that I'll keep on posting every day and I'll expect that people comment. People won't comment. Commenting is the last thing people will do. A lot of people who visit my profile won't even like my profile, but they will visit my profile. The profile visit itself tells LinkedIn, okay, this is an important profile, show it to more people. And as they show it to more people, what will happen is the net I will be featured in a lot of people's network part, because LinkedIn knows that this person is important, a lot of people are visiting. So I'll keep on getting more and more connection requests, more and more follow requests. This is how you get more and more noticed. And coming to the last part, the tool's name is Merlin. I'll just show you. So this is where the tool will be seen. As you see over here, it's a desktop based tool and I can start chatting over here. Alternatively, it gets integrated on my LinkedIn. It can also get integrated with your Gmail. It's like assist tool, AI assist tool, but predominantly I'm using it for just commenting purpose. You can download the tool and you can also use it. It's a free to use tool. I've given you a detail about what you need to do to get noticed. Now, the next step is, if you want to understand how to create a rocket LinkedIn profile which everybody notices, please do go to my playlist. I've shared the link. This playlist will give you detail out each and every video how to you create your LinkedIn profile. What are the things you need to do? What are the free tools that you use? Prompts to create your about section, prompts to send a cold email, different prompts that you can use.